Hello folks, Samsung has a lot of exciting devices coming out later this year, including the new Galaxy Watch 6 based on Wear OS 4, as well as the new generation of foldable devices, new tablets and perhaps a new pair of earbuds. And today we get our first look at the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic in CAD renders, showing us how Samsung's upcoming smartwatch is going to look like. And it is good news for everyone who has been waiting for the next smartwatch to drop. The Galaxy Watch 6 Classic renders were leaked by reliable leakster On Leaks and show the watch in black color. It looks to have a black PVD metal case with a silicone strap and a magnetic clasp. It appears to have a 1.47-inch circular Super AMOLED screen surrounded by a thick rotating bezel similar to the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, so if you missed that feature, you are getting that here. As you can see in the renders, the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic looks exactly like a traditional watch sans the crown. However, it does come with two buttons on the right side, while the left side of the case is flush. The watch is said to come with PPG, photoplethysmography and heart rate sensors on the back. While its specifications weren't reported by the leakster, the Galaxy Watch 6 is expected to feature a barometer, body composition analysis, ECG, gyro, heart rate sensor, GPS, NFC, sleep tracking and temperature sensor. On the front, the 1.47-inch display should be covered with scratch-resistant sapphire glass for added protection, and the watch should run One UI 5.0 watch, so you can definitely expect all the modern features from Samsung's upcoming smartwatch. Also, SamMobile.com revealed a few weeks ago that the Galaxy Watch 6 and the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic will come equipped with the Exynos W980 chipset made using an improved 5nm fabrication process. It might bring new features powered by Wear OS 4 and One UI 5 watch, including improved health tracking and Material U design. The company announced that one of the biggest changes that will be introduced by One UI Watch 5 will be sleep coaching, or more specifically, Samsung wants to make the sleep coaching feature, which helps users form better sleep habits, will be accessible directly on smartwatches. Right now, sleep coaching is available in the Samsung Health app for Galaxy phones, but missing from Galaxy watches. The vice president and head of the digital health team at Samsung said yesterday that the Samsung Health platform reached 64 million monthly active users worldwide. The Galaxy Watch series is helping that number grow year by year, and according to the VP, the Galaxy Watch sleep feature is among the most popular components of Samsung Health. Aside from the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, Samsung should have another variant in tow that we'll hopefully get to look at the coming days. Hopefully, Samsung will bring a number of improvements and they will be enough to convince me to finally shift to a next-gen smartwatch. Anyway, I will keep you updated as I get to hear more about what Samsung has in store for us. So subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one. Good luck to all.